Guys, here I am with another exciting video of unboxing. Today I'm gonna unbox and review this ZPT Professional Tools electric drill. It's 450 volts. The machine has four colors. I have the red one. It's ZT-ED10A. Let's see what we have inside when we open it. Okay, so the machine comes with this manual. Okay, and what else do we have? We have this part. This is a drill tool. We have another part. I will show you how to use each of these parts. This is another part of the machine which comes on front of the machine. This is another tool that we can use while drilling, and this is the here we have another nail. This is a longer one, so I think we have three sizes: big, small, and so we have three sizes. These two tools, and this is the machine that we're going to see. So this is electric drill 220 to 50 Hz. This is horsepower 2600 R per minute, 450 volts, 10 mm. It can go till 10 mm. Okay, so this is how. So we need this tool, this part to fit here. And then we can take a nail. For example, I'll start with the smaller one. Okay, so you can see this gap. This tool moves in circular motion, and this is where we can fix our nails. When we open it, it opens. So we open it and then put this nail, and then to make it tight, we will again move it in circular motion until it is tight enough. So now it is tight enough and it doesn't fall. So I'll show you how to drill a hole in the wall. For that we will need some more nails and screws. I'll show you. So these are the screws and the plugs that I got from a local hardware shop, and follow me to see how to do a basic drill in the wall. You can use the normal ones also. The nails, this is screw, so it goes it is more finished. It gives a finished look, plus it is more reliable, so it stays for longer. I'll show you how to do a basic drill for the clock I'm gonna put on my wall. So this is my wall, a regular one with I think the paint I have is oily, but it works on the non-oil paint also, so it won't make a difference. I'll show you how to do a basic drill. To begin with, I will advise you all to mark first where you want to do the drill. For example, the height. And so for me, I want to do the drill here because I want to put a clock, and the clock looks better on a height, because I have children at home and I don't want them to touch my clock. So I think this is a good height for my clock. This point you can see. So I'm gonna drill a hole here. So I just plugged in my drill machine and put it on where I wanted to do the hole, and I started the machine, and it took even less than a minute to drill the hole. So it's you see, this is a nicely done hole. And now I will take this screw, this plug, to put it in here. I think we need a wider hole. This is not wide enough to fit this, so I will then use the other attachment. Because I used the most narrow one, I'll use the wider attachment to make a wider hole. Looking at it a bit closely, I realized that these two I have are of the same size. So it reads 1/8, 30 into 60 mm, and then the bigger one I had is bigger one, obviously, and it reads 1/4, so it's 6.5 into 100 mm. So I have put the bigger one, and then let's see how it works. Yes, seems like it has worked well. So now we have a bigger hole, and I think this attachment should fit now. So this is what I want to put in. Yeah, it's going in now. So I will need a hammer to take it in, and then I'll show you how it looks. So it turns out that I don't have a hammer at home, so I'm gonna use this wrench to do the job. Yeah, and it worked just fine. No, it didn't. So yeah, it came out. I think this won't work now. It was a failure, but it's okay. So I will try the other one. This is glad that I bought a packet. So yeah, and I drilled the hole a bit more so that it goes more deep. And yeah, I think yeah, it's pretty much good now. Yeah, I did the job. Cool. And now I'm gonna put this nut in, and yeah, it's tight enough. Make sure that you use a screwdriver to do this, but yeah, for me this job is pretty well done. Yeah, so this machine is nice. It works really good, and it's a cheap one. So I'm gonna put a link in the description, and you can also buy this machine. This is a good one. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments box. If you like my channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks. See you.